the RYOBI 18 volt 1 Plus impact driver. This one's probably the most used tool in my entire tool arsenal, I would say. Hey, give this one a fair bit of a flogging. This is not the brushless one. This is the just the standard one you pick up for about 99 bucks, and yeah, they go hard, go strong. I like to drive these 100mm, they're hex head wood screws. That seems to be my go-to weapon at the moment. But driving them in with a hex head piece right there, they just go straight into the end. Done in. They're fully spring loaded as well, so all you have to do is pull out and that will pop out. So it just shoots it out there, put it back in, and you'll see that click into space. There, done. All ready to go. So then all you need is one of the lithium 18 volt batteries and your driver drill. There you go. It is not rocket science, guys. So I'm filming with one hand. That there is ready to go. Rightio. Screws in the end, ready to go. We're gonna go down to here. We'll say about there. There you go. Into there. Pull the trigger. Push it in. So no pilot hole, no nothing. Just see how it goes. There you go, absolutely no effort whatsoever. Bloody little ripper. I did an entire roof with this one just the other day, and it did not even miss a beat. So can't knock it, sensational. RYOBI 18 Plus, another goal, guys, well done. Rightio, here's a bit of firewood just to show you. This is old hardwood. So we're just pushing in there, we'll just see how it goes. Let's go. Not a hassle at all. Beautiful.